Hey chicas, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing another hair video, and this is sponsored by the company Duvolle. It's either Duvolle or Duvolle. Anyway, so they sent me this Trinity three-piece set. You know, Trinity means three-piece. But anyway, so they sent me this Duvolle or Duvolle Trinity Pro Series Curling Wand. And so when you open it, it came just like this. So you open it, you have your wand with the barrel, 3 barrels. So 32, 25, 19 millimeter barrel. You have your glove, and you have the instructions. Okay. Mine is in the color black. I see they have this pink one, which is really pretty, but the one that I have is in the color black. Okay. So here is the barrel and the wand. It comes with this plastic piece on it. So you take that off and chunk it. It looks really nice. It has a power button, an increase and decrease in temp button, and you have your lock and unlock feature, long cord, you just unlock it and take it off. And I think today I'm going to use this size on my hair, but again, you have your other 2 barrels. Let me plug this up to get it hot, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I don't know if you guys noticed on the last clip, I didn't have one of my lashes on. I have my wand on 430. I don't think I need it. You know what? Let me bump it down just a little bit. So I'm gonna take the minus button and push that, and you will see the temp go down. And when you push it down, it'll turn red. All right, so I am, and don't mind my nails either, they're not done, and I was doing makeup and it's just a mess. But anyway, so I am going to just part my hair on the side. I like a good side part. And I'm going to start in the back. Use a clip, clip my hair up, and I am just going to start to curl. Let me take my earring off, so that won't be an issue. So I don't know, this barrel may be too big. Let's just see. Let me go ahead and throw my glove on. Got the glove. A lot of times we don't need these gloves, you know, we're just careful, but for the sake of the video and showing you guys how to use this particular wand, I will use the glove that they sent with it. Okay, so I'm gonna take a piece, and I'm going to wand my hair. Leave it on there for a few seconds. And that didn't do a dadgum thing. Okay, so let me go to a smaller wand. Let me turn this off. So what you do is you just push and hold the on and off switch, and that's how you take it on and off. So let me unlock it, take it off. Woo! That is hot. But it has the little thing here where you can sit it, and this right here, this part doesn't get hot. So you can just sit it over to the side if you decide to change wands in the middle of your hair session. I'm going to take the middle size wand which is the 25 millimeter. Yeah, I think that'll work. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, so let me just put that on the barrel. I mean on the wand, and lock it. And push and hold to turn it on. You see that it's red. And let me put it up to 410 degrees. It shouldn't take that long. I think it turns blue when it's ready. Let's see. So it's still red. So when it gets to 410, it should turn blue. Let's just check. Yep. So when it gets to your desired temperature, it will turn blue. Okay, so, and you guys, that was literally maybe 30 seconds. It didn't take long at all. Well, maybe a minute. Hold on. I do not want to burn my ear or neck. And like I said, this black rubber piece, it does not get hot, so you can rest it where you need to. Okay. Leaving it on there a little longer, it definitely helped. Okay. Oh, hold on. I lost it. With the gloves on, it's kind of hard for me to feel where my hair ends, so I keep losing it. Let's try this one. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just keep on going. And plus, I don't have thick hair, so that could also be why it's, you know, looking the way it's looking, because I don't have thick hair at all. So, and that's also one of the reasons why I only wear my hair straight when I do straighten it, or a bond, or actually that's pretty much it. A bond, or I'll just wear it straight. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you wand curl your hair? Is it supposed to be like an easy process? Or a process that, I don't know, you never know what you're gonna get? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna wand a couple of more, and then I'm going to finish the rest off of camera, and I will be back to let you guys see how I try to style it depending on what it's looking like. I may just comb out all the curls, I don't know, but let me finish this one and then I'll do the rest off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, I guess it's not so bad. Yeah, no, it's not so bad. It's not as bad as I thought. Okay, so let me do the rest off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I have to say I really tried it. Like, seriously, I don't know what in my mind made me think that as thin as my hair is, I don't know what made me think I could use a curl wand for my particular hair. It's just too thin. You know, when you wand curl it and stuff like that, it looks stringy. I don't have any products in my hair and it still looks stringy. So it did not work for my hair type. This could work 100% on someone with a thicker hair texture, you know. But as far as the wand itself, I really do like this wand, and I hate that it didn't work on my hair. It may work on the smallest barrel I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it another time, but right now I'm just kind of pressed for time. This size works on my hair as far as, you know, length wise. It's big enough to where it takes all of my hair, but again, my hair is so thin, I don't have a lot of it, so it just made my hair look stringy. But again, as far as the wand and barrels go, I love this curling wand. I think it would do someone really great, you know, and I can definitely use this on my wigs. That's a fact. I'll use it on the wigs, but just not my hair. And you know, I'm saying that because the wigs have a lot of hair. So this will work perfectly on my wigs, but just not my hair. But yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about it. It's a really good wand. It got super hot. It came with the stuff that I needed. It came with the wand, the 3 barrels, the instructions, and the glove. So that's just fine with me. Again, that's it. You know, I decided to put my hair in a ponytail. It's a curly ponytail. And I just left some hair out in the front just so that I could have some hair out in the front. But other than that, I think everything looks fine. You know, I don't know. You guys leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have thin hair texture. Do curling wands really work for you, or do they not? Do you prefer to have them or use them on wigs? Let me know what you think. I think it's a great wand. So I'll leave some information down below on how you can get this wand, the specifics and stuff like that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're watching and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. YouTube is getting harder and harder daily on views, on subscribers, everything. It's just getting harder for people to do it because you have, I don't want this to sound the wrong way, but you have celebrities who are now going towards YouTube and just I don't know, just killing it in the YouTube game. But anyway, so if you like this video and like me and want to continue to see videos from me, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!
AbbyRed.